My name is Sandy and welcome to the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my kitchen vignette. So if you're interested in seeing what that looks like, just keep watching.
Now this is a seasonal challenge that is hosted by Denise Jordan of This and That with Denise Jordan. If you're not familiar with her channel, I will have a link to it in the description box below. And this challenge is called the Summer Kitchen Vignette. So without further ado, let me show you what I've done.
Okay, so this is the vignette that I put together, and I started with just a tray that I picked up from Home Goods. It is in both the silver and the gold, which I thought was really nice because you can switch it up with your accent pieces. But I'm going with gold this time. I have a yellow candle on here. It's in the honeysuckle and thyme scent. I have a candle snuffer, a salt and pepper shaker. I also picked this up at, I got this at Burlington's, I think. Salt and pepper shaker that's in yellow. And then I have a bowl here that I picked up from Ross recently, and I think it was like $3.99 or $4.99. But I took it, and I have these air plants. So if you're not familiar, air plants are plants that live outside of dirt and water. And so I had these, and I've had them for a while. They haven't really been doing all that great, but I just decided to add them as a part of my decor. So I put them in this jar with some Dollar Tree diamond, these little faux diamond thingies, whatever you call them. And then I got these little moss balls, moss from Dollar Tree as well. And I just stuck them down in there and stuck my little air plants in them. And so I really like the look. It looks like a little terrarium or like a succulent plant. So I really like it. Now, obviously, I'm going to have to take these out to set them in water. You do have to put them in water once a week. But I just thought that this was a great look to them. And I put them on top of a stand that I had and just set it there. And so that is my vignette. I have a jar here with some lemons that I've set right next to my vignette. But this is what I put together. I thought it was really simple and cute, and it brings in the yellow that I'm going with for the season. I hope you like this. And then I'm going to show you another small vignette that I put together over by the sink. So this is the same tray, but it's a smaller version of it with the silver and the gold. And I just put a gold soap dispenser on here and a gold paper towel holder. And I just set that there by my sink.
Now, I am not a plant specialist, but I have a special fondness for air plants, which I've just recently been introduced to. So basically, they have multiple benefits. They are supposed to help you alleviate stress and help you to be more productive. They also do a great job at filtering and purifying the air that we breathe. They capture harmful chemicals and toxins. So you can put them in your kitchen, you can put them in your bedroom, your bathroom, any place that you wouldn't typically be able to grow plants because you may not have enough light or window or whatever. These plants are pretty durable, and you can just kind of style them whichever way you want. You can just lay them on a table if you like, or you can hang them as you see here. They have all different types of holders and unique ways that you can display them if that's what you want to do. I've chosen to put mine in a terrarium, but there's lots and lots of options as well as lots of variety of the air plants that you can use. So if you're not familiar with them, I just wanted to share those with you. And especially if you don't have a green thumb like me, this is a way that you can grow these plants and they can look beautiful in your home, add some greenery and the health benefits with the oxygen and things like that as other plants. So just a little FYI on that if you're not familiar with them. So this is basically my vignette. I hope that you have enjoyed these items that I put on here. It is pretty simple. Again, this year I am going with the yellow. So when I'm doing my decorating, I am incorporating yellow into different spaces of my home because I am just loving that color this year.
So I would like to thank Denise over at This and That with Denise Jordan for hosting this challenge. It is a very fun one to do. Please be sure to check out her channel, which I will link the channel link in the description box below, as well as the playlist, so that you can check out everyone else that participates in this challenge. And if you're not currently subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and the notification bell today before you leave, so that you can be notified each and every time that I upload a video, which is about once or twice a week. If you're interested in home decor, home cleaning, shopping hauls, gardening, and travel, then this is the channel that you just might enjoy. So be sure to come back by and see what I'm doing next time over on the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Have a good day. Bye.